Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a fun activity and it's called pop-up. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so for this activity, you're only gonna need a few household items. You're gonna need some sock balls and you're gonna need at least 1 or 2 hats. One, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we got 4 points for both of us. We are a team. 2. Instead of going straight at Jordan, now I'm gonna throw it to the right, and then I'm gonna throw it to the left. And he's gonna have to try to use his hands and his eyes to grab the sock ball in midair. So here we go. Level 2. 1 point for us, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points, and 5 points. Nice job, Jordan. All right, so here we go, level 3. Now Jordan's gonna have the sock ball go up high and go low, and he's gonna have to either squat down and crouch it right before it hits the ground, or go up high and catch it as a pop fly. Ready? Set, go. 1 point for our team. 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect score. Great job, Jordan. All right, so now if you wanted to make it a level 4 or make it just a challenge, what you can do is we already went straight at Jordan, we went high and low, we went right and left. Now you can put all of those together and Jordan's gonna have to figure out where the ball's going and how he's gonna get it. So, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect score. Great job, Jordan. So it's now my turn to catch. Jordan's gonna be the tosser. Again, level 1, he's gonna throw it straight at me. Level 2, to the right and left. Level 3, high and low. Level 4, he's gonna mix match, and I'm gonna have to be able to catch it. I recommend getting a nice athletic stance, feet shoulder width apart, ready to catch. 1. Oh, I dropped it. 2, 3, and 4. Level 2, right and left. That's 1 point. 2 points. 3 points. 4 points, and 5 points. All right, moving on to level 3. Level 3 is high and low. Nice athletic stance. 1. Oh, 2. Oh, I dropped it. That's 3. All right, so we only have 3 points in level 3. Now, level 4/challenge. Jordan's gonna throw it high, low, left, right, and I gotta be able to catch it. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that game pop-up. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
Drop a comment below. How'd you guys feel about the activity? Was it harder than it looked? Because I know it was for me. So make sure you guys stay tuned. And again, at the P spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.